tides sway, hold tight to rocks in hand. Crystals glint where sunlight strikes, shells whisper tales of land. Tides they roll and waves they break, treasure beneath the sand. Hunters scour rock and bone, fossils of ages grand. Dig deep, sift through time, endless search in salty grime. Nature's gems beneath our feet, eternal quest we seek. Craggy shores, secret doors reveal what history hides. Hands worn, fingertips torn, each find a joyful ride. Tides they roll and waves they break, treasure beneath the sand. Hunters scour rock and bone, fossils of ages grand.